Also, I must say, and I must say this in as public a forum as possible. Ritesh is nothing like his movies. He's nothing like the movies he does.
Bomb.
The bomb doesn't agree
Was
with
that
you.
a lie detector? Was that like a bull?
Did you trigger that?
Sorry. Okay.
हाय करण, आपसे सवाल है मेरा कि फिल्म बन चुकी है एंड एज अ क्रिटिक आप अपनी फिल्म को, इस पूरी बनी हुई फिल्म को कैसे देखते हैं?
There is no chance, and any director, any filmmaker will tell you the same thing. You lose complete objectivity in terms of how the film is or what have you made. Like, I have no idea. It has to be judged by other people.
एंड प्रोमो वगैरह देख करके दोस्तों का क्या रिएक्शन है, बस कैसा है फिल्म का आपको?
अब मेरे दोस्त हैं तो अच्छी बात बोलेंगे. I mean, no one comes to you and says, you know, it's terrible. So that's not a good way to judge it. I think the only way would be on a Friday morning to go into a theater and see if people are laughing or not, or if it's affecting them in any way.
एंड रिलीज डेट चेंज करने का क्या मेन मकसद था? दृश्यम से अलग होना था या अलग?
No, it wasn't about so much about Drishyam as much as it was about Bajrangi Bhaijaan and Bahubali. They're doing so well, and no one anticipated this kind of collections for both the films, and it's great. It's helping everyone. Everyone's in a good mood. The industry is in a good mood. The audience is in a good mood. So we just wanted to give it more space. Also, 7th, I don't think there are any other major releases in Hindi, so it just made sense, yeah, to stagger it. It also gives us one extra week to blow our own trumpet.
You have reviewed their film so many times, but आपकी कौन सी favorite film रही है रितेश और पुलकित की जिसमें ये दोनों आपको बहुत अच्छे लगे हो?
I love Ritesh's Grand Masti, and I'm saying this because, you know, a lot of people say, oh, what was that? But I couldn't believe they made that film in India. I'm so happy that happened. I'm not sure it can happen again, but you are trying it, and I really hope it's as big and successful and even more wild. But it just sort of got the inner child or youngster in you, you know, just took it out. And when I saw that film, everyone in the theater was laughing and all, but they'll all go home and say, "Arey, nahi, you know." It was not our cup of tea. But it's, to be honest, it was just crazy, and every scene of that film is etched in my mind. It's insane.
Which is your favorite scene from Grand Masti?
Let's talk about Bangistan here and not Grand Masti.
Hi, my question is to all the team. Like, आज गुरु पूर्णिमा है, तो मैं जानना चाहूँगी रितेश, आपके, पुलकित, आप और करण, आप लोग के गुरु कौन है और उनकी फेवरेट चीज़ जो आपने सबसे ज़्यादा अपनी लाइफ में सीखी हो?
You know, just before entering this hall, I was about to tweet, you know, about Guru Purnima, लेकिन कुछ कारण वो रह गया और मैं यहाँ पर आ गया. For me, it will always be my father. और मुझे लगता है कि सभी लोग यहाँ पर जो बैठे वो यही कहेंगे कि अपने माता पिता ही आपके सबसे बड़े गुरु हैं. और उन्होंने आज तक मुझे जो भी सिखाया और जो सीख दी है वो मुझे ज़िंदगी भर सिखाती रहेगी. एंड सो फॉर मी इट विल ऑलवेज बी माय फादर.
कोई एक बात जो आप बताना चाहें अपने फादर की?
आई थिंक टू कीप इट सिंपल, मुझे लगता है कि कोई भी सीख ना, आई थिंक इट शुड स्टार्ट विथ सिंप्लिसिटी. सो माई फादर ऑलवेज टॉट मी दैट टू रिस्पेक्ट, एंड वंस यू रिस्पेक्ट द पर्सन इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, you will automatically gain his respect, and everything else in life will follow post that. So that is the core value that I might joke with someone, I might pull someone's leg, but I will always try and maintain the respect quotient of it. I'll try, I said.
In industry you don't have any guru, like?
Sorry?
Industry में कोई ऐसा जिनको आप follow करते हो, जो गुरु मानते हो, जिन्हें सीखा हो एक्टिंग?
इंडस्ट्री में गुरु?
इंडस्ट्री में कोई ऐसे एक्टर जिन्हें आप मानते हो?
नहीं, I don't think कि गुरु would be the right word, because कि गुरु की परिभाषा बहुत अलग अलग होती है, नो. Yes, there are so many people you learn from, और 10-12 साल हो गए मैं हर एक से सीखा है. अगर बैंगिस्तान में मैंने किसी से सीखा है तो इन दोनों से सीखा है. And there is alwaज something or the other that you learn every day from people. You know, so many times I give interviews, chat with you guys. कभी कभार आपके सवाल कुछ सिखा के चले जाते हैं. So I think learning as a process is never ending. It's a cycle, you know, it has to go on and on and on. And one shouldn't focus कि मैं इसी से सीखूंगा. That's what I believe in. I think you can learn from anyone and everyone.
पुलकित आप
It will sound similar, but yeah, of course, my parents have been the biggest guru for me because they have taught me a lot. जूते मार के भी, चप्पलें मार के भी, प्यार से भी, और you know, कितनी बार कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें करके जो हमें उस समय नहीं समझ में आती, पर बाद में समझ में आती हैं. So it's I think it's irreplaceable, and they give you the best teachings of your life. And I think it's a blessing when you have somebody's hand on over your head, taking care of you and teaching you small little things about life every second moment in your life.
इंडस्ट्री जैसा कि सब जानते हैं, आप सलमान खान को अपना मेंटर मानते हैं, तो
आप जानते हैं?
नहीं तो
सब कैसे हुए फिर?
कुछ बताइए उनके बारे में कि एज अ गुरु लाइक मेंटर आप कितना उन्हें follow
आपने ही डिसाइड कर दिया कि वो इनके गुरु है, वो इनके मेंटर है.
देखिए,
आप
मेरे-
ही पूछ रहे, अब फिर आप बोलेंगे बताओ उनके बारे में. अगर ये बोलेंगे नहीं तो आप बोलेंगे सलमान खान के बारे में पुलकित कुछ भी नहीं बताना चाहते. तो ये अब समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि ये क्या हाँ बोले कि ना बोले. अब ये बोले कि सलमान कैसे, तो बोले सलमान के बारे में पुलकित ने ऐसे कहा. ना ही इनका सवाल है ना ही इनका जवाब है. आपने सवाल तय कर दिया, आपके मन में एक जवाब है, वो भी आपने तय कर दिया, फिर भी बोल दिया अभी.
नहीं, मेरे गुरु जो हैं वो ये हैं, क्योंकि मैं इनसे सीख रहा हूँ कि मीडिया को कैसे जवाब देने हैं.
So now you know ना, it is सलमान से बड़े गुरु पुलकित के लिए रितेश है. Let's stick to that.
हेडलाइन.
Put a circle and an arrow.
करण आप
Of course, my parents have allowed me to, like the two of them, to be the, you know, to have all the freedom in the world to try and become what you want to be. But besides that, I'd really like to single out and mention Mr. Saeed Mirza, who has been a great influence in my life. I have always had great respect for him and his work. But as a human being, he has taught me so much that it has like literally changed me, you know, and my way of thinking about the world and, you know, people. And I would consider him my guru, like guru.
ये पाकिस्तान का कोई मैसेज जो जैसे कि बोला कि मूवी में एक मैसेज है जो कि एंड में यू नो लोगों को पता चलेगा, जैसे रितेश ने भी बोला कि सिर्फ ट्रेलर देख के उन्होंने डिसाइड कर लिया कि पाकिस्तान में बैन होनी चाहिए. क्या मैसेज है जो आप बताना चाहते हैं इस फिल्म से?
The clear message will of course come out when you watch the film and till the end, and you see in totality what it's about. But it's basically about identity and just allowing yourself to step into the other's shoe for just some time and realizing that at the end of it, we are all the same, we have come from the same place and we're going to the same place. And, you know, all the thoughts and evil that sprouts from an extremist point of view is absolutely not worth it. You guys want to add to that, like a message?
Message of the
Film.
We didn't hear you.
Sorry.
You were talking something?
Yeah.
Film's over, man.
Karan,
Who are you?
Okay, Pulkit, remember that.
Karan, you know, you have shot the film in Poland. So what kind of support you got from the government over there, and how easy, difficult was it to shoot the first film at such a location?
I'm not. We got a lot of support from them. I don't know in terms of from the government and everything. Of course, they were very helpful. It was very nice. I mean, you know, the Polish people are, and basically the love for films and cinema really put us on the same page. Even though language was a concern initially, because they don't speak too much English. Most of the crew, of course, my main crew were very fluent, but it was absolutely wonderful, and the places we shot at and the locations, they're so unique, they're very interesting looking. We didn't want to make a regular looking, like visually we wanted something weird and unorthodox, and we got all of that in Poland, and we had great support from everyone. It was really smooth sailing, much easier than I would say shooting in Bombay, for example.
And Ritesh and Pulkit, one question.
For more news and gossips, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.